Hi, I'm Jane Prue with CSR Talent, and we're interviewing for a position. It's an application development manager role here in Chicago. If you've grown up in the development world and like to solve problems and make an impact, this could be a good opportunity for you. The skills required are microservices, full stack development, UML design, Docker, the cloud, and object-oriented programming. Here's an overview of some of the requirements besides those skills. 10 years of development, hands-on experience, and experience leading development teams. The responsibilities will include managing 4 developers, but that will be growing, providing the technical leadership they'll need, and overseeing code reviews, standards, and processes. Some of the nice to have technologies would include Kafka, Oracle, SQL, JavaScript, Hibernate, and Spring. I want to tell you a little bit about the company and your teammates. The company is very entrepreneurial and innovative in developing software products. They have a parent company that's been around 25 years, and this company is state-of-the-art environment with a work-life balance. Team members are self-starters, they're motivated, they're achievers, critical thinkers, and proactive. Overall, you can think of the company as being fast-paced with aggressive timelines. If this sounds like you, or you want to learn more, or you know someone, let me know. You can contact me at jane@csrtalent.com. Bye now.